Are you thinking about investing in the Edmonton and surrounding area into a single family home? Well, you're going to want to check out this video where I, Karen Stanko of Remax, talk to you today about 5 neighborhoods that I feel are going to exhibit growth in the near future. I've been selling real estate full-time in Edmonton and the surrounding area for 17 years. And I looked through all the statistics and I found 5 neighborhoods that I feel are undervalued currently and that will be continuing to grow in the next little while. So I'm going to speak to you today about Dover Court and Sherbrooke area. This is located near Westmount Shopping Centre, and these areas typically have been really low in price for a significantly long time. I feel that the price is lower because those 2 neighborhoods do not have a ton of infill in them yet, that is. So you can still get a beautiful single family home with a double detached garage bungalow for about $350,000, which is highly under our average price, which went all the way up to $550,000 this year in 2024. What is going to happen in 2025? I don't even know, but that is a place where I would bank money on putting some money into. Number 2, Queen Mary Park. This area has exhibited a strong downturn over the last 15, 16 years. And what has caused that? There's been a number of factors, but a lot of it has to do with our crime rate and homeless. I feel like Queen Mary Park is an area where investment will pop up soon. And the reason why is they are building a big development in our municipal airport located in Queen Mary Park. This area has a lot of geothermal, environmental structures, and the prices are significantly higher because people are being drawn to it because of the solar panels, the geothermal, and also the newness of the area. I feel like this is going to pop up the Queen Mary area, and that investing now is a great time to enjoy that upturn. Number 3 would be La Pearl and the West End Alder Grove. That whole area is very undervalued. We're very close to West Edmonton Mall. And as you know, if you're following the Edmonton market, there is a huge expansion of the LRT going all the way to West Edmonton Mall. When that LRT expansion finishes in the next couple of years, I feel like La Pearl and the Alder Grove and that whole West End community is going to get a pop up. You're still going to be only 10 minutes LRT to the downtown. It has huge bungalows, 2 stories, and large yards with double attached garages, and the neighborhood is safe. So right now it is undervalued. On average, you can get a home for $400,000 to $450,000. Edmonton average home prices again are about $555,000. So I do see a significant upturn in that area. Eastwood and Alberta Avenue. These areas have increased in value significantly as a lot of hipsters and cool people have moved into this artsy community. Now, I think that this area is going to continue to grow when the old arena gets demolished and they redevelop that area. Now, the crime is a little bit high in that area currently, but as the city of Edmonton continues to push back and clean up the area, that area is very low in price right now and will increase significantly because of the proximity to the downtown area and making commuting an ease, and it also has some beautiful historical homes. So that would be another one that I would say would be increasing in value soon. Okay. And lastly, Britannia, Youngsville, Elmwood, these cute little West End communities are lower valued right now. They are on big lots. In Britannia, Youngsville particularly, there's been tons of infill happening in there where there are 2 single family homes being built in place of 1. I think that the infill is going to continue to increase the value of these locations. And we are very close to beautiful communities such as Grosvenor, the North Glenora, and also Laurier Heights and different areas like that. So right now they are very undervalued, where you can get a home for around $300,000 in there that has a detached garage. So I feel this is a great value. If you are thinking about investing in the Edmonton or surrounding area, or just thinking about buying your first home, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. Or if you do know somebody who is looking to move, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the comments, and I would love for you to subscribe. My name is Karen Stanko, and I've been selling full-time in the Edmonton and surrounding area for 17 years, and I'd love to be your realtor of choice. Thanks for joining me, and see you on the next one.